My name is Santamoja and today I will tell you a story about a monkey and his friend Crocodile. Today you will learn that how your presence of mind can save you in bad time. Once upon a time, in a very dense forest, on a very big tree, there lived a monkey. Now one day, while this monkey was eating some fruits, he saw that in the nearby river, a crocodile was watching him. The crocodile swam up to that tree and said, "Oh dear monkey friend, can you please give me some of your fruits? I am very hungry and I haven't eaten anything from days." So the kind monkey at once offered him some of his fruits. The crocodile ate it and he liked it so much. So the crocodile came the next day also, and the monkey again fed him the fruits. So like this, the crocodile used to come every day and the monkey used to feed him every day. So this is how they both became very good friends. Now one day, while this monkey and his best friend crocodile were eating some fruits, the crocodile told the monkey about his home. He told the monkey that on the other side of this river, there is my home. And I also have a wife who lives there. So after listening this, the monkey offered the crocodile with some extra jamun fruits and told him to take this for his wife. So the crocodile did the same. He took the fruits to his wife. "Eat this, my dear. This is a treat from my friend." So the crocodile's wife ate the fruits. And she liked it so much. She asked the crocodile, "Where did you find this thing? I haven't eaten anything like this before." So the crocodile told his wife about his friend, about his monkey friend who used to give him these fruits. Now this crocodile's wife felt very jealous. She didn't like this idea that a mighty crocodile like him is a friend to a small monkey, which is basically their food. They used to eat monkeys. So she wanted to put an end on their friendship. So for that, she came up with a very hideous plan. So one day, she pretended to be very ill. She was not eating anything for that day. And when asked, she told her husband that I need only a monkey's heart. I will not eat anything else. I only need a monkey's heart. Now the crocodile asked curiously, "A monkey's heart? Now where will I bring a monkey's heart for you? How will I get it?" So she replied, "Why don't you bring me your friend's heart? That clever monkey you were talking about. Bring me his heart or else I will die." Dear. Now this crocodile was in a very big dilemma. Either he should save his friendship with his monkey friend, or on the other hand, he should save his wife only. And you know what? The crocodile decided to save his wife. So he went to that monkey. And when he reached that tree, he invited his friend monkey for lunch. He said, "Dear friend, why don't we have lunch at my place today?" So the gentle monkey at once agreed. But he said, "How will I cross this river? I am a monkey and I cannot cross this river." So the crocodile said, "Don't worry friend, I have an idea for this. You just sit on my back and we will swim together to my place." So the monkey agreed. They were best friends. So the monkey sat on the crocodile's back and they both began to swim to his place. But now, as they both went to the middle of this river, the crocodile began to sink below. And the monkey, surprised, screamed, "What are you doing, friend? Don't you know I will die? If you will sink like this, you will kill me." So the crocodile laughed. How did you know that? That is what I have to do today. I have to kill you. So the monkey, very surprised this time, screamed loudly. Why? Why do you want to kill me? We are very good friends. And look, I offered you so much fruits for so many days. Why did you want to kill me? So the crocodile explained the monkey about the whole scenario. He told him how his heart only can save his wife. Now the monkey was in a very big trouble. Now this monkey began to think. Before this crocodile kills me, I should think something. Think, monkey, think. And yes, he came up with a very brilliant idea. He told the crocodile, Dear friend, if this is the case, you should have told me in before, na? Look, I left my heart there on the tree only. What? Said the crocodile. How can you leave your heart there only? Look, dear friend, I don't used to keep my heart every time with me. It is so heavy, na? So I keep it there on a branch, and whenever I need it, I put it into my body. Now, if you have informed me about this thing before, I would have kept my heart with me. Now hurry, let's go to that tree and take that heart back. So the crocodile rushed there with the monkey. And as soon as they went to that tree, the monkey quickly escaped from that crocodile and climbed that tree. Now the monkey climbed to the highest branch of that tree. And from there, he began to laugh. So the crocodile asked, Friend, did you find that heart? If you have found it, come on, let's go now. We are already very late. So the monkey laughed from that branch. He said, You foolish creature, you don't even know that everybody's heart is always in their body and no one can live without their heart for a moment even. Now go to your wife and tell her that she married the biggest fool on this world. It's activity time. And to begin with, I'll start with the difficult words. Number one is jealous, which means feeling upset or angry because you think that someone you like is showing interest in someone else. Number two is mighty. Mighty means very strong or powerful. Number three is hideous, which means very ugly or unpleasant. Number four is to pretend, which means to behave in a particular way in order to make other people believe something that is not true. Number five is curiously, which means wanting to know or learn something. Number six is dilemma. Now this is a situation in which you have to make a difficult choice between two or more things. Number seven, scenario, which is a description of whatever happens. Number eight is gentle, which means be kind and calm. Number nine is surprised, which means showing or feeling surprise, or shocked. And finally, brilliant, which means very clever, very skillful or successful. Now we move on to the question answers. Let's see if you can answer these questions or not. Number one, what did the crocodile tell the monkey in midstream? Number two, how did the monkey save himself? Number three, why the crocodile's wife didn't like their friendship? Number four, what did the monkey do as he reached the tree? Number five, What is the moral of this story? So did you guys answer it? Okay, so let's me answer this. So the answer for the first question is the crocodile told the monkey his real intention for inviting the monkey home, which was to kill him. Number two, the monkey saved himself by using his presence of mind and telling the crocodile that he had left his heart on the tree itself. Number three, the crocodile's wife didn't like their friendship because she used to see a monkey as their food only. Number four, upon reaching the tree, the monkey instantly jumped from the crocodile's back and reached to the safety of the tree. Number five, the moral of the story is that a good presence of mind can save you in bad times, in difficult situations. So did you guys answer it correctly? Now we are heading to true or false. Now you have to tell whether these statements are correct or not by saying true or false. Number one, the crocodile had a wife. Number two, the monkey lived on an apple tree. Number three, the monkey befriended an alligator. Number four, the crocodile's wife liked their friendship so much. Number five, the crocodile invited the monkey for lunch. Number six, the monkey met the crocodile's wife. Now I'll tell you the answers. Number one, the crocodile had a wife. This is true. He had a wife. Number two, the monkey lived on an apple tree. This is false because he lived on a jamun tree. Number three, the monkey befriended an alligator. This is also false because he befriended a crocodile. Number four, the crocodile's wife liked their friendship so much. This is also false because she was jealous and she didn't like their friendship. Do you remember? Number five, the crocodile invited the monkey for lunch. This is true. Number six, the monkey met the crocodile's wife. This is again false because he never reached their home. Now you have to match these following. On the left, you have some words, and on the right, you have some pictures, some diagrams. Now you have to match these words with those diagrams. Number one is crocodile. Match the crocodile with the suitable diagram. Number two is to jump off. Which one of these diagrams do resemble a jump off scene? Number three is jamun fruits. Do you see it? Number four is to swim, swimming. Which one of these photos, these pictures, is of swimming? And finally, the last is the heart. Monkey's heart. Do you see it? Have you matched this? Now I'll tell you the answers. You can see the answers on your screen now. So, did you answer it correctly? Did you match it correctly? So that's all for today's activity slide. So how was this story? Did you guys like it? Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.